University Pune. When we go to a new place, we feel like knowing prior about it, the roadmap, and a little about history. The Armed Force Medical College, as suggested by the name, is being managed by Indian Armed Forces. As we enter, we come to the Dean's office. The camera was prohibited in this area. The AFMC was set up in 1948. In the immediate post-World War period, on the recommendations of the B.C. Roy Committee, remnants of the Indian Army Medical Corps units were amalgamated into one unit to create the Armed Force Medical College. The graduate wing of AFMC was established on August 4, 1962. The aim of starting this wing was to increase the intake of medical graduates into the armed forces. The graduate wing was affiliated into the University of Pune till 1999, but presently is affiliated to Maharashtra University of Health Sciences. As we continue straight, for a few meters before turning left, we find Ashoka Chakra Library. It is equipped with all modern necessities. The library provides information and knowledge from the archives to the latest. It also has Wi-Fi and its own canteen. Turning left, we find the Department of Anatomy. The Department of Anatomy came into existence in 1962 as one of the first UG wing of Armed Forces. It is housed in a beautiful heritage building just beside the Dean's office. Left road from the library will bring us to the Golden Jubilee block. The Golden Jubilee block celebrated its Golden Jubilee in 1998 with pride. The Golden Jubilee block houses 18 departments and was inaugurated by Sri George Fernandez, Defense Minister, in 1998. For public attraction, a helicopter of Air Force in Ashoka Vatika has been retained from a long time. Next comes the Department of Orthopedics, which was established in May 1978. On the occasion of Golden Jubilee celebrations, the Department of Orthopedics was shifted to new building complex. MRI. This department provides radiological, diagnostic imaging and interventional services to 16 wards from Command Hospital Pune to OPD patients. CT scan center. Next comes used for combination of mini X-ray measurements. Obstetrics and Gynecology. This department was established in January 1965 with the objective of providing UG and PG education, tertiary level patient care and research. This unit has unique achievement of doing the first intrauterine transfusion in the armed forces. Department of Physiology adjacent to it, which was established in August 1962. The department conducts basic and applied clinical research in collaboration with clinical departments of AFMC, Common Hospital, Military Hospital, Cardiothoracic Center Pune, Army Sports Institutes Pune and others. Next comes the Dhanvantri Auditorium, a place where all the cultural programs are celebrated. We reach to the lecture hall complex. The academics are dealt here. Next comes the Department of Dermatology. Then comes the civil OPD, the special OPDs, which is located just near to the Department of Dermatology. The newly constructed building having requisite facilities behind the lecture hall complex next to Dhanvantri Auditorium. The building which you can see is the Diamond Jubilee Block. It is a center for the laboratory sciences, and the beautiful garden in front is known as the Surabhi Garden. Aprameya. This building is devoted to club activities only. Ironically, examinations are also held here. Midway Cafeteria, known for giving good quality food at affordable price for all the people living here. Apart from Sundays, it closes from around 10 p.m. Next comes the girls' hostel. Residence in hostels is mandatory for all the cadets for the entire duration of the course. The girls' hostel was constructed in 1984 and can accommodate 130 cadets in 70 single-seater and 30 double-seater rooms. On the way, you will come across War Memorial for commemorating those killed in a war. It is situated near the parade ground. The parade ground is a place where the soldiers practice marching and they stand in rows to be inspected by important people. The building which you can see next is the Central Cadet Mess. There are total of 5 messes, 4 for boys and 1 for girls. One free messing is provided to all the medical cadets. Shorts are not allowed and shoes are mandatory for the entry. Opposite to the mess is the ground with synthetic tracks for athletics and other sports. Students are encouraged to participate in sports, and there are large number of clubs like the Student Scientific Society, Hobbies Club, Debating Club, Adventure Club, etc., where students can pursue extra academic interests. The campus ends with the boys' hostel. The boys' hostel is housed in a building which was built in 1965 and comprises 13 blocks of 33 floors each. There are total 277 rooms approximately, and all rooms are fully furnished. And we can exit the campus only in a proper attire. Thank you.